You don't generally associate flying foxes and watermelon, but they really enjoyed it, I guess because it's so sweet. And juicy. My goodness, that's juicy. So you can see this one's biting off the melon. Well, she was biting off the melon. Biting off the melon, she presses the melon with her, using her tongue up against her hard palate to extract the juice. And then if there's anything left, they'll spit out the... so that's called a spat. My goodness, that's a juicy watermelon. There's not a great deal of nutrition in watermelon, but it does have some vitamins, and it's more an enrichment food, I guess. And the little reds just, here comes trouble. The little reds just love it. Ooh, it's a bigger bat. They're scary. So he's put, quite a few of these sorts of enrichment foods. So there'll be quite a few stations of enrichment food. So everybody gets some. That's before the main course comes out. Oh dear. A lot of squabbling going on over there. There's another station. My goodness. Here comes a little red. They're squabbling down there. But I think this one's nabbed this one. This piece. Yuck. You're going to be so sticky after that.